Jingpyni ba ya Durand Cup kala syong shit tanya State Convention Center Shillong rangkat ke jenrang menterang ba ke jelau konat ke sangma umatri ke tanat ya kai ke jelau ba syakle wajri ki spy ke tubu El Marshal Suraj Singh ke Eastern Air Command Lieutenant General Sanjay Malik jangka GOC 101 area Lieutenant General Mohit Malhotra Eastern Command Chairman DCOC nologi no ya kai ke jela barkiwe kan di kampung ya kai ke jadbol ke Durand Cup ke balai pusau taus nem kan sedang nadu ka apply trik unai tung hadu ka apply trik unai lal banwan hasilong on ya kai pratli ya kai HJN Stadium QA pet kejela ban ya kai kelong West Bengal Jharkhand Assam Manipur nol ke Meghalaya hasilong on penil kai pratli ya kai nol quarter final bat ru ka semi final ia ke Durand Cup online penipaj ba keleng ke Shillong kumjuru Nongstoin berhatura nakan di kejela Meghalaya ki kenhon wesi mentah sya kan di kelempung gilong ke Shillong Lajong Football Club bar kumju kadang Rajit United nalo ke North East United ke badai nakan di Tanj Thailand ingi ke India umtriang ba kejela ong ba ke sokal ke Butong ban pelong ya ke Shillong kum ke Kalkhana penmi nong ya kai kejat bor bakan Saitam Hakari la pelai dulu ia ke jingrua jeng ke kelempung ke Meghalaya Durand Cup team song ke berai ke teng Here We Go.
Cause we are the music, we are the sound, we are the heartbeat shaking the ground. Alley, 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 alley. Here we go. Man pasha pertei, kisah berkembang. Langkah kudu lagi rangki hai banyak telinga. Banyolah yang sebenarnya yang buram ban rasa. It's time to show, cause we are the music, we are the sound, we are the heartbeat, shaking the ground. Alley, 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 alley. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a rousing round of applause as we showcase the 134th edition of the Durand Cup Trophy, the Trier of Trophy, the Durand Cup, the Preston Cup, and the Shillong Cup. May I also take this moment to invite on stage.
I also would take a few minutes to share, of course, our story of sports in our state, which has been something very special and very close to our heart. And the reason why this is so important is because we believe that sports is a very integral part of the upbringing of our youth and a very integral part of the overall holistic development of our youth. And sports is very critical, keeping in mind that India being a young nation and the Northeast and Meghalaya being even a younger nation, younger state compared to even the rest of India. And therefore sports has played a very important role, and this entire thought process has driven the strategy, driven the policy and the actions that we have taken when it comes to sports. I'm very happy today that MSOA working president is here, and he will share with you and tell you that the way government has supported sports in the last 7 years has been very, very, very different, and at a different level compared to what it was in the years before. Whether it is the support to the different associations, whether it's the tournaments that we are having, whether it's the Meghalaya games that we are hosting, whether it's the investments we are making in the manpower, whether it's the selection processes of ensuring that scientific process is used for building up athletes for the future. All of this is being done in a very, very strategic manner, with a goal, as mentioned by the Honorable Sports Minister, to be able to bring out athletes who can win medals in the national games as well as win medals even in international games and Olympics also.
We are dedicated to ensure that we are being able to provide the best of the best for the football lovers of our state. With that being said, I still remember that if you remember in the last budget session where our Honorable Chief Minister has declared that we will have one of the biggest, not the biggest in the entire country, but one of the biggest stadiums in a state with a capacity of 40,000 capacity football stadium, which will be there in Madan.
It's time to show, 'cause we are the music, we are the sound, we are the heartbeat, shaking the ground. Alley, 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 alley. Here we go.
Living the dream, believe in the team. Nothing can stop me, I'm born to achieve. Believe the power you here to guide us. I'm pushing myself with the focus to be at the best. Got no time to rest, go beyond obsessed, go beyond obsessed.
Alley, 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 alley. Here we go.